Hi everyone, this is Signing with Val. And I realized that I forgot something when I did the ASL tutorial the other day. And for the beginning part of the song, I told you all, I love you, Lord. You know, she starts out, I love you, Lord, for your mercy. Da, da, da. So this was correct. It's just that I should have also given you another option, which is, I love you, Lord. Okay? So let me do that again. Because this is a sign. I love you. Excuse me, if you're talking to someone that's standing there, I love you. I love you. I love you. Okay? So you could also do that. Some may start it that way, and that's perfectly fine. So I just wanted to come back on or do another video to show you all another option, and not just I love you sign, but or you could even let me add another one. I love you, Lord. Okay? If you have time to do this, this is like, I learned it years ago as what's called the honorific I or me. Um, some may call it the personal I or the personal me. Okay? So I love you, Lord. Okay? And then you will continue with the rest of the song. So I just wanted to add that in. I don't have the skills as far as editing, or I would have edited into my video. So if you have any questions, let me know. This has been Signing with Val. And remember, deaf people can do anything that hearing people can do except hear. Bye for now.